Hello everyone, I'm Nancy at the Yarn Department here at the Stitchin Post. I want to show you one of my new toys. It's the Yarn To Go Carousel, and we have it in two patterns, a sunflower and a medallion, and different colored mandals. And what makes this really cool is whether or not you are pulling like I am from the center or from the outside. You're just going to slip the handle through. I just put it through. I put it on my wrist and I am set to go. I'm going to just stroll around the store in the yarn department and give a little sample of what I'm knitting. This will be a new yarn coming in about 8 weeks to 10 weeks from Tumalo Fibers. But look how easy this is to do. And you can put any size skein on this. This is a worsted weight, but it's great for socks, anything on the go. You can also hang it if you're going on the plane in front. And if you just want it to go, it'll stand flat and still work great. So enjoy.